G'day folks, Conor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video. Today we're having a quick look at the Belkin dual wireless charging pads. They're 10 watt, dual wireless, so thank you for Belkin for sending these out. A quick little note here. Hey Conor, thanks so much for checking out the Belkin charging pads. So no problems. Let's see how good they are. I'm going to go put my Galaxy S21 Ultra on charge and see how long it takes to charge. That'll be the first thing I check out. But I like it. Slim design, looks easy, plug and play. Let's go check it out. Now, before I do this, I've also, you'll see in the video, other video, I'll link it up above, this Belkin wireless speaker stand I've reviewed as well. So I'm going to compare it to that, because this is a speaker, where the other one is a dual wireless. So each will have their own place in the world. I do use that speaker a lot at work. It definitely comes in handy. So one of the first things I like about this is the actual slip pads. It's got little feet on it that stop it from sliding around on your desk, which I think is pretty cool. And it's very clear where to place your phone. There's no confusing that, so I really like that. Simple black design. Now my Galaxy S21 Ultra is currently on 79%. So we're going to whack it on charge and I'll put it on charge. It's 9:11 now. I will check it at 9:20. There we go, look. So it currently says it's on wireless charging, 79 minutes until full. No, 79%, 57 minutes until fully charged. So, like I said, we'll check it at 9:20, and that will give us a good idea of where we're at. Okay, so the Galaxy Watch is a no dice on the Belkin charger. I didn't expect it to. I mean, Samsung want to make money, right? So they're not going to let you charge it on other devices. But the phone's charging. That's what we want. So let's keep an eye on it and see how it goes. Now it does say on here, it works for Apple or Samsung. It charges two devices at once and is 10 watt. I think it'd probably work with other wireless charging phones as well, but it does just say on the box Apple and Samsung. It's got LED lights, so you can see whether it's charging or not. If they are charging, it's a solid white light, I think. Let me just have a quick look. Yep, and if it's not charging, it is an orange light. The lights are quite small, so it probably won't keep you awake at night, but it's always disturbing to see any sort of light on a device that might charge things next to your bed, because that bright light. What else have we got here? Can charge through lightweight cases up to 3mm thick. I've got a big Belkin rugged case on there at the moment, and it's charging through that. Non-slip grip as well. And it's external power, so I've had others that you just plug into a USB port and it can charge, and that's handy as well. Now I've actually got one behind it that does that. Plug and play through a USB source. So that actually saves on power plugs, but then I don't think you get the full benefits and safety of this charging brick. So always got to consider the safety and the full benefits of plugging straight into a power outlet through a charging brick. Anyway, how long have we got? What time is it? Again, I will check. It's 9:16. I'll check in another 5 minutes, see where we're up to. That's not an definitive review on that charging ability, but it's a start. Okay, having a quick look. We're coming up to 9:20, like I said we would. And it is charged. Wait for it. Wait for it. Maybe wait for it a bit longer. Wait. All right, 9:20. Have a look. So in 9 minutes, it's gone up 2%, which is pretty funny. But I'm going to leave it on there. I'm going to see. It says now 51 minutes until fully charged. I'm going to leave it on there for a little bit. We'll come back and check it again soon. Let me turn that screen around. Okay, so just put the Galaxy Note 9 on top as well. As you can see here, got them both charging. See two LED lights here. We've been charging for 28 minutes, and it's gone from 79% to 86%, so 9% in 29 minutes. This is convenience charging with a good brand, reliable, safe product. Okay, so the results are in, and it's charged 100% in 58 minutes, but that's from 79%, so it's definitely a convenience thing. You want to be able to just put this down on your charger while you're at work or editing at home, something like that, and just let it charge. Not having to worry about plugging it in. I do like that. And it can charge 2 phones at once. So if you just want to plug 2 phones in straight off the bat and start charging, you can do that as well. So I do find it convenient. I mean, I'm just charging the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the Galaxy Note 9 at the same time. Reasonable charging speeds. Okay, so I did the wireless charging test, but my phone wasn't on fast wireless charging. So I'm going to put that on now, Galaxy S21 Ultra on fast wireless charging on the Belkin charger. And I'll give you the results in 3, 2, 1. Now with the S21 Ultra on fast wireless charging, it currently says 38 minutes until fully charged, where without fast wireless charging switched on, it said 58 minutes yesterday, if you remember. So that's interesting. So that's not doubled, but certainly taken about 40% off the charge time. Yeah, 35, 40%. So that's interesting. Let's check the results. Okay, so without a doubt, when your phone has fast wireless charging enabled, it is much faster on the Belkin dual pad wireless charging kit. So definitely if your phone's got a built-in, beauty. If a phone doesn't have a built-in, then it's an average charger. But with that fast wireless charging enabled, you are going to love it. It is awesome. Thanks for watching. Check in the next one. Thanks, Belkin. You guys are awesome. And I will enjoy doing the next video for you all. So thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Pad wireless charging setup. Thank you, Belkin. Setting it out. Links down below if you want to pick one up. I really appreciate all your support. And next video will be coming out soon.